Friends, last year, along with the UN Secretary General, I launched Mission Life, Lifestyle for Environment. Mission Life, as a global mass movement, will nudge individual and collective action to protect and preserve the environment. In India, environment-friendly actions by any person, company, or local body will not go unnoticed. It can now earn them green credits under the recently announced Green Credit Program. This will mean that activities like tree plantation, water conservation, and sustainable agriculture can now generate revenue for individuals, local bodies, and others. Friends, as I conclude, let me reiterate that we should not forget our duties towards Mother Nature. Mother Nature does not favor a fragmented approach. She prefers Vasudhaiva, Kutumbakam, one earth, one family, one future.